Sea lion pups rely on their mother's milk for the first 18 months of their lives. Then Mum takes them on a dive to teach them how to find food. While she provides some guidance, each pup must ultimately learn through trial and error. Each sea lion becomes a specialist, meaning they have their own individual foraging strategy and prey preference. One might decide to chase their prey, actively pursuing an octopus along the seafloor, while another might adopt an ambush strategy, pouncing on a fish as it swims by. At a young age, sea lion pups develop a feeding strategy and stick with it. This individual specialization allows many small colonies to coexist across a narrow range by reducing competition and stretching limited resources further. Their curious natures give Australian sea lions intricate knowledge of their habitat, including the best food sources. And this curiosity is key to the continued survival of the species.